Hi, this is Josie and Josie's Fun Kitchen, and today I'm going to show you a yummy, yummy dish. Chicken Caccitore, how I make it. The vegetables, and you can, if you want to do all green onions, but we have green onions, yellow onions, celery, onions, garlic, some oregano, some fresh thyme. I tied it in a bundle, fresh parsley, and I like to use portobello mushrooms. But first what we're doing is, want to heat this up. I have extra virgin olive oil in here. Before I forget, I will have the recipe on josiesfunkitchen.com. Please subscribe, and also I am going to list the ingredients below. And remember to tell your friends about Josie's Fun Kitchen. All right, so what we're going to do first is we're going to put some olive oil on here as well. You want to get it underneath the skin. And we're going to season under the skin, on top of the skin, because we need flavor. Let's add a little crushed red pepper, a little heat. Okay, this is ready to go. I don't want it smoking, but here we go. Skin side down. And don't move it once you put it in here. You definitely want to splatter guard. All right, we're going to take this splatter guard off. You want to make sure it's brown. I'm going to wait a couple more seconds. Yeah, nice and golden. Whoa. I'm going to brown it on this side a little bit. And then we're going to do the vegetables. All right, this is browned on both sides. Looks really good. And we're going to take this out. Oh, look at that. Does that not look nice? I'm going to make sure it doesn't fall off, but take a look. Put that over there. I'm going to add a little bit more extra virgin olive oil. Just a tad. Onions. And here I used a whole large onion, which this is about 2 cups, believe it or not. I have yellow and red pepper. Dump that in. Celery. Again, this is about maybe a half a cup. And let's see, where's my, here we go. Let's mix this together. Some salt, pepper. I'm going to saute this for about a couple minutes, and then I'm going to add the 1 cup of wine, red wine. Add the garlic. Thyme. I have fresh thyme. And this is 2 teaspoons of dried oregano and a pinch of the crushed red pepper. Mix that in. Bring that down. Let's add some fresh parsley. And we're going to have some more for garnishing. Okay, now this is ready. What you do is you take your chicken, skin side up this time, and let's nestle it right in. Ooh. That. Got to put the juices in there. Okay, now I'm pouring in the can of chunky crushed tomatoes. And again, I like to use the San Marzano tomatoes. Now I'm just going to turn the heat down. It's boiling. We're going to cover this. And I'd say maybe 30 minutes. Now, here are your options for the side dishes is pasta, rice, French bread, whatever you want. So here it is. And I'm gonna add a little bit, oh, got a little tomato. I don't wanna miss out on this. A little bit more, because I like it spicy. And add some bit more salt, pepper, and we're good to go. I'm gonna bring it back up to a boil and then cover it. Okay, see you in 30 minutes. So I'm making pasta on the side. I'm gonna put this on top of the pasta. You can also have bread to carb overload. So let me drain that pasta, but I'm going to keep a cup of the pasta water in case I want to add it to my chicken caccitore to thicken it up a little bit. Okay, I am adding, wait, what was that? 2 tablespoons of butter to kind of rich this up. Rich it up. I don't know if that's a word. Let's add a little bit. I'm gonna do chicken breast. That looks yummy. Let's add a little pecorino romano. And this is freshly grated. I like to grade mine. It tastes better. Look at, oh my gosh. And I chopped up some nice fresh parsley. And I will be back for the taste test. Okay, time. Oh, my shirt, it's all over the place. All right, time for the taste test. All right, I am going to, I like chicken breast. Oh my gosh, this very nice and tender. Look at that. Okay, I'm just gonna take a little piece. I'm gonna take a little pepper and a piece of pasta. I'm sure I'm gonna have some bread later on. Okay. I cooked the pasta al dente, but I can taste the flavors and I have a little kick because of that crushed red pepper. But this is really good. It's an easy meal. I always say it's an easy meal to make. But you can also take a piece of bread and soak up that. And of course you have to have red wine, but the sauce is delicious. So I hope you make my chicken caccitore. Please subscribe, turn your notifications on, and tell your friends about Josie's Fun Kitchen, and the full recipe will be on my website at josiesfunkitchen.com. Cheers.